Hi everyone, welcome to Aastha's Makeup Closet. Today we are going to be talking about the difference between a bronzer and a contour. So I've already done my base makeup, my eye makeup and everything, and I'm going to divide my face into two parts. Right down the center, on one side I'm going to be using a bronzer, on the other side I'm going to be doing a contour, and I'll be telling you the shade differences and all of that. So let's get to it. So I'm going to be doing contour on this side and bronzer on this side. So we're starting with the contour. So this is the final look, and if you guys liked the differences and you liked this video and you liked how I demonstrated the contour as well as the bronzer and the difference between the two, it's basically contours mimic shadows and bronzers mimic uh, the color that we get from the sun when the sun warms up our face. Hence, bronzers are warmer in tone and contours are cooler in tone. A cool toned color is something that has, usually, it's gray toned for the bronzer, but a cool toned color is something that has a little bit of blue in it or so. But let's not get into that. It's just that contours are cool tone colors and bronzers are warmer colors. Warmer colors meaning they have a little more orange or maybe they have a little more yellow. It kind of mimics the rays of the sun when it hits the face and it warms us up. Think of it like the natural flush and the warmth that you get when you're on the beach, or if you worked out a little bit and your face gets a little warm and it tends to shine and get that little redness and that little warmth in certain areas. So a bronzer mimics that. A contour mimics shadows, what we already have on our face due to our bone structures. Hence contour is different for every person because every person has a different face structure. We all have different heights of our forehead. We have all different sizes of our chin. So, and we've got, some have higher cheekbones, some have lower cheekbones. You can, of course, if you want to create an illusion of a higher cheekbone, you can take your contour slightly higher, like that. If you want a more chiseled look, then you can take a contour color that's even deeper and then really chisel it out and blend it. So when you do the cheek contour, you blend upwards. When you do the jaw contour, you blend downwards. Contours are also used for hiding, the double chin that I have. So it's really good. It's really good to, kind of trick the eye. And bronzers are just, it's if you just want to go out, during the daytime, or you want to go to office, it's just nice to warm up your face a little bit. You really don't need to contour at that point of time. But if you're going out in the evening, I would suggest that a contour is must. Now, can bronzers and contours be used together? The answer is yes. The thing is that when you have a contour on, a contour is the lowest, the bronzer goes up here, and the blush almost goes on top of the bronzer. But just be careful that you don't muddy up the colors, hence you have to go in with a really light hand. And the highlighter is right at the top. So when you start, highlighter, blush, bronzer, contour. Those are the, the demarcations of how you can use the product. Now bronzer goes in this part of the forehead and contour goes in that part of the forehead. A bronzer does not, the light of the sun doesn't hit us here. It hits us here on the high planes of our face. Hence, we don't we contour the nose over here to make it look slim, but we don't contour the nose here, but we can bronze up our nose here. These are little things, like we bronze up our chin. We highlight because that's where the light hits us. So these are just little things that you need to take care of, and you'll be a master of you'll be a master of bronzing and contouring in no time. So I hope you enjoyed the content on this video, and if you did enjoy it, please do like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell, notified every time I upload a video. I usually upload on Tuesdays and Saturdays, but I'm trying to get into a schedule. Work's just been getting in the way. So here's to you. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.